The GeForce RTX 5070 Ti just launched, and it's the third GPU launch ever since the announcement of the RTX 50 series. We've only checked out updated variants and designs from different brands, but today is special. We have the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Series Launch Edition to check out. Announced last CES 2025, the new Vanguard is now a new addition to the MSI graphics card lineup. To recap, you have the Supreme, Gaming Trio, and Ventus. The Vanguard series sits at par or slightly just below the MSI Supreme variant. To celebrate the launch of the new Vanguard line, the first wave of Vanguard GPUs will come with the limited edition Lucky Around the World blind box. There are a total of 10 variants, with one of them being a rare limited edition variant. I'm lucky enough to get a lucky item, let alone an RTX 5070 Ti, but I guess I'm not lucky enough to get the special edition lucky item. Ang laki ng box pero ang liit ni lucky, diba?
What?
Apart from the lucky blind box, you have the following accessories included in the box: the anti-sag bracket, and of course the 3x 8-pin PCIe to 12VH power connector. The MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Series Launch Edition cooler design is what I would say is a mix between the Gaming Trio and the Supreme series. It's less edgy and aggressive than the Gaming Trio, and it looks like a more refined version, but it still has a gamery element to it, unlike the Supreme series, which looks more professional. It sports an aerodynamic design for optimal air intake inspired by aircraft, combined with carbon fiber accents and RGB lighting for that professional meets premium gaming aesthetic. Both the Supreme and Vanguard series now use MSI's Hyperfrozer thermal design coming from last gen's Trifrozer. Marketing jargon aside, the new cooler uses a combination of advanced vapor chamber for the GPU and VRAM, core pipes for optimized heat distribution, and a redesigned heatsink for better airflow control. You also have the new Stormforce fan, which features 7 claw-textured blades for better air pressure. The elephant in the room is probably its size. It's a chunky GPU measuring 3.25 slots and weighing almost around 2 kilos. Here's a visual comparison compared to the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Ventus 3X and our RTX 5080 Founders Edition. Moving to the side, you have a fairly exposed heatsink for airflow control coupled with carbon fiber accents and an MSI Dragon logo with RGB lighting. A closer look shows a dual BIOS switch next to the 16-pin power connector. We will be testing the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Series Launch Edition with its out-of-the-box settings, which is set to the gaming BIOS. Like most GPUs, you have a sturdy backplate that also acts as reinforcement to support its size. You also have the same carbon fiber accents scattered throughout the back PCB as well as the MSI Dragon logo. There's a small cutout on the right side where the PCB ends for airflow to pass through. The MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Series Launch Edition sports the standard 3 DisplayPort 2.1b ports and 1 HDMI 2.1b port. The base spec of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is 2.3 GHz with a boost clock of 2.45 GHz. Since the RTX 5070 Ti doesn't have a Founders Edition card to establish as our reference, we use the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Ventus 3X OC as our baseline, as is also priced at MSRP. Our Ventus card has a boost clock of 2482 MHz while the Vanguard SoC has a boost clock of 2602. Now let's dive into performance. On your screen is our test bench specs, and feel free to press pause when needed. We only tested the RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard in rasterization, as ray tracing and DLSS 4 testing are covered in our Ventus 3X review. Our benchmarks here will focus more on the difference between the MSRP card at productivity and gaming at different resolutions. We will not dive into discussing each graph, as our extensive benchmark suite will make the video longer. So if you want a more extensive dive and comparison with more GPUs, go check out our written review. Given its better cooling with the larger heatsink and the new Hyperfrozer cooling design, the RTX 5070 Ti Ventus SoC is cooler than our MSRP Ventus variant. The release of new graphics cards is the perfect opportunity for brands to introduce something new to the table, at the very least update their current offerings. MSI took advantage of the RTX 50 series launch. Frankly, our time with the card made us think that it's closer to the Supreme series rather than the Gaming Trio, or perfectly being in the middle. Like the deciding factor between the Supreme and Vanguard line boils down to aesthetics and price rather than the minuscule performance difference. That said, MSI doesn't offer the Supreme variant for the RTX 5070 Ti, so this is a special case. With the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Series Launch Edition, you're already getting the best variant that MSI has to offer. For the 9,000 peso premium over MSRP, it has flagship level performance with premium design and build quality, and of course, impressive thermals. If you're interested, then better grab the launch edition at MSI authorized retailers and see if you're lucky enough to get the lucky item. This is Grand Sor. Peace.